Subscribe my channel Let's Know Everything and click on bell icon to get every latest new updates. Hello friends, my name is Shujay. Welcome to my channel Let's Know Everything. Friends, you understand by looking at the thumbnail of this video that today I am going to tell you about the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, and I am 100% sure that 15th multiple choice question answer that I have discussed in this video will definitely come in your upcoming competitive exams. So don't skip this video, watch it till the end. Then without wasting your time, let's start. First question, which city has hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics in 2021? A. Tokyo, B. Paris, C. Beijing, D. Moscow. Right answer will be option A, Tokyo. Yes friends, due to COVID-19 pandemic, Tokyo, capital city of Japan, has hosted the 2020 Summer Olympics in 2021 from 23rd July to 8th August. Next question. Question number 2. What is the motto of Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games? A. One Olympic, one nation. B. Olympic is our heart. C. United by sports. D. United by emotion. Right answer will be option D, united by emotion. Question number 3. What is the mascot of Tokyo 2020 Olympics? Right answer option A, Mirai Towa. Yes friends, Mirai Towa is the official mascot of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. This mascot represents the Japanese culture. Question number 4. Who were the India's flag bearers at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020? A. MC Mary Kom, B. Manpreet Singh, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer will be option C, both A and B. Yes friends, MC Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh were the India's flag bearers at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020. MC Mary Kom is an Indian boxer from the state of Manipur. She is also known to us as Super Mom. She got Padma Shri in 2006, Padma Bhushan in 2013 and Padma Vibhushan in the year 2020. And Manpreet Singh Sandhu is the captain of Indian hockey team. He belongs from Jalandhar, Punjab. Question number 5. Who was the India's flag bearer at the closing ceremony of Tokyo Olympic Games 2020? A. PV Sindhu, B. Bajrang Punia, C. Mirabai Chanu, D. Sania Mirza. Right answer will be option B, Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia is a freestyle Indian wrestler from Haryana state. And friends, remember, Bajrang Punia has won the bronze medal for India in 65 kg freestyle wrestling at the 2020 Summer Olympics. Question number 6. Who has won the first medal for India in 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Right answer will be option B, Mirabai Chanu. Yes friends, Mirabai Chanu has won the first medal for India in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She won the silver medal in women's 49 kg weightlifting category. Full name of Mirabai Chanu is Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. She was born on 8th August in the year 1994 in the state of Manipur. Mirabai Chanu has won 2 medals in 48 kg category in Commonwealth Games. In 2014 silver medal and in 2018 gold medal. And last year in 2020 she won the bronze medal in 49 kg category in Asian Championship were held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. But her biggest success came in 2017 when she won the gold medal at the World Weightlifting Championships, which was held in Anaheim, California. Mirabai Chanu was given the Padma Shri by the Government of India in the year 2018, and in the same year she got the highest sporting honour of India, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for weightlifting. Question number 7. It's a very important friends, and I am 100% sure you know the right answer of this question. Who win the first Olympic gold medal in athletics for India? A. Abhinav Bindra, B. Neeraj Chopra, C. Vijender Singh, D. Sushil Kumar. The right answer will be option B, Neeraj Chopra. Yes friends, Neeraj Chopra wins the first Olympic gold medal in athletics for India, and he is on and only gold medal winner in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Neeraj Chopra wins Olympic gold medal in men's javelin throw. And friends, remember, Neeraj Chopra became the second individual Olympic gold medal winner after Abhinav Bindra, who won gold medal in shooting in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Neeraj Chopra was born on 24th December in 1997 in the Panipat district of Haryana. He got Arjuna Award in 2018. Next question. Question number 8. Who becomes first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals? A. Karnam Malleshwari, B. PV Sindhu, C. Sakshi Malik, D. Saina Nehwal. Right answer option B, PV Sindhu. Yes friends, badminton player PV Sindhu becomes the first Indian woman who wins 2 individual Olympic medals in back-to-back editions. In 2016 Rio Olympics, she got silver medal in women's singles, and in this 2020 Tokyo Olympics, she has received her bronze medal. PV Sindhu was born on 5th July in 1995 in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, now in Telangana. And friends, for your kind information, PV Sindhu's father PV Ramana and mother P. Vijaya both were volleyball players at the national level. Question number 9. Tokyo 2020 Summer Olympics is 32nd editions. Question number 10. How many Indian players participated in Tokyo Olympics? Right answer option A, 127. Yes friends, total 127 Indian athletes, men and women, participated in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Next question. Question number 11. How many medals India has won at the 2020 Tokyo Summer Olympics? Right answer option C, 7 medals. 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals and 4 bronze medals. Which country has won the maximum number of medals at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? A. United States, B. China, C. Japan, D. Great Britain. Right answer will be option A, United States. Yes friends, United States has won total 113 medals, 39 gold medals, 41 silver medals and 33 bronze medals. Total 113 medals. And friends, China stands in second position with 38 gold medals, 32 silver medals and 18 bronze medals. Total 88 medals. And host country Japan stands in third position with 27 gold medals, 14 silver medals and 17 bronze medals. Total 58 medals. Got it friends? Next question. Question number 13. Who wins silver medal for India in men's 57 kg freestyle wrestling at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics? A. Bajrang Punia, B. Sushil Kumar, C. Vinesh Phogat, D. Ravi Kumar Dhaiya. Right answer option D, Ravi Kumar Dhaiya. Ravi Kumar Dhaiya was born on 12 December in 1997 in the district of Sonipat, Haryana. Question number 14. Indian female boxer Lovlina Borgohain has won which medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics? Right answer option C, bronze medal. 23-year-old Indian boxer Lovlina Borgohain has won the bronze medal in women's welterweight category at the Tokyo Olympics. She was born on 2nd October in 1997 in the state of Assam. Lovlina Borgohain received her Arjuna Award in 2020. Last and final question, question number 15. After how many years Indian men's hockey team wins medal in Olympics? Right answer will be option B, 41 years. India last won and gold medal in 1980s Moscow Olympics, and finally after 41 years Indian men's hockey team at the Tokyo 2020 Summer Olympics wins their bronze medal. And for your kind information, it is the most successful team ever in the Olympics. India's hockey team has won total 8 gold medals in Olympics. In 1928, in 1932, in 1936, in 1948, in 1952, in 1956, in 1964 and in 1980. So friends, if you think that this video is important for your competitive exams, then please hit the like button and press the red subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the new latest videos from my channel. Thank you so much friends for being with me and watching this video. Thank you so much.